Dueling Typewriters with Darren, Lena, Molly, and Kayla. Let me hear it for books, people. Yeah, we got a literate crowd. We're going to make a book in front of you, but we're not going to do it like a regular book. We're going to do it like that new bar they opened up on Brown Street. But instead of dueling pianos, it's dueling typewriters. So one person will be typewriting the scene at a time, and then the two characters in the middle will have to act out the scene, which will get a little schizophrenic because we've got two writers. Can I get the title of this tome?
Monkey Brains.
Darkest Day.
Monkey Brains? Monkey Brains! That was a good one. Good job, sir. Monkey Brains, name of this book, and we're going to start with authoress Lena. Players, you ready? Go.
Doctor, the experiment's gone horribly wrong, she said, a tear forming in her eye as she handed him the lifeless body of their latest victim. I see, he said. We need to double the serum and make it even more purple.
Switch!
More purple? That's insane! You can't mess with nature that way, she said. But yes, I can. And I will. Because I am the greatest scientist who ever lived.
Doctor, your God complex has gone out of control, she sobbed, swooning onto a nearby table, slightly, but safely.
Switch!
As she leaned on the table, suddenly it broke. And she was on the floor, convulsing with the horror she was experiencing. As the doctor looked over and said, yeah, definitely, more purple.
Switch!
You see, all this time that you've been injecting the monkeys with a placebo, they were dying of old age. Meanwhile, you were the real subject of my experiments.
Switch!
And soon you will grow a monkey's brain in addition to your own. And you will feel compelled to throw feces at everything, just like a real monkey.
Switch!
Maniacally, he laughed. Shing!
Checking the time. We're on our last game of the evening, and for this I need Wendy, Jason, and Meg to join me on the stage.